What you see here is the GCM 12 GDL Professional, the Mitre saw with an innovative guide arm. Together with the GTA 2500W Professional saw stand, this saw is ideal for use in the workshop or on the job site. With its integrated double-line laser and powerful 2000-watt motor, it offers optimum cutting efficiency and precision. The innovative slide mechanism with a maintenance-free and extremely robust guide arm, along with the top precision best for wood saw blade, ensures lasting smoothness and precision when sawing. Sawing like never before. Extremely smooth with lasting precision. With the GCM 12 GDL Professional.